Why did God create the universe? Was it just to impress us with stars, galaxies, and planets? Or is there a deeper reason? Today we're going to the foundation, the purpose of the universe. Because if we don't understand why the universe exists, we will miss the reason why we exist. God never does anything by accident. He does nothing as an experiment. Every creation of God is intentional. Isaiah 45:18. For this is what the Lord says, He who created the heavens, He is God. He who fashioned and made the earth, He founded it. He did not create it to be empty, but formed it to be inhabited. He says, I am the Lord, and there is no other. This means that if God created the heavens and the earth, He had a goal in mind. The first reason for the universe is to declare and reveal God's greatness. Psalm 19:1-2. The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of His hands. Day after day they pour forth speech, night after night they reveal knowledge. The stars, galaxies, black holes, and planets are not random. They are like a cosmic billboard saying, look at the greatness of your God. The universe is an ongoing testimony. Even before the Bible was written, creation was already preaching. Romans 1:20. For since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, His eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse. God gave man a mind curious enough to explore not just the earth but the heavens. Genesis 1:26-28. Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over all the earth. Dominion doesn't stop at the ground we walk on. The same mind God gave Adam to name animals is the same mind He gave man to study the stars. If God didn't want us to know about galaxies, stars, and planets, He would have hidden them, but He made them visible so we could ask questions. Deuteronomy 29:29. The secret things belong to the Lord our God, but the things revealed belong to us and to our children forever. The more we explore space, the more we realize how small we are, and how great God is. Psalm 8:3-4. When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars, which you have set in place, what is mankind that you are mindful of them, human beings that you care for them? Science today confirms this. The observable universe has over 2 trillion galaxies, yet God knows every star by name. Isaiah 40:26. Lift up your eyes and look to the heavens. Who created all these? He who brings out the starry host one by one and calls forth each of them by name. The universe humbles us, but also reminds us, if God cares for the stars, how much more does He care for you? Human discoveries about the universe have helped life on Earth. Satellites give us GPS, communication, weather forecasting. Studying space has led to medical breakthroughs, new materials, and technology. This shows that the universe was designed not just to look at, but to benefit humanity. Proverbs 25:2. It is the glory of God to conceal a matter, to search out a matter is the glory of kings. In other words, God hides treasures in the universe for man to discover. Every discovery is like finding a hidden jewel in God's creation. Ultimately, the universe is not just about science, but about the kingdom. Creation itself is waiting for man to step into God's purpose. Romans 8:19. For the creation waits in eager expectation for the children of God to be revealed. This means the universe is not complete until sons and daughters of God take their place in dominion and rulership. God's goal is not just that we study the stars, but that we recognize that everything, galaxies, planets, and even time itself, exists to glorify the King of Kings and to host His kingdom on earth. To declare the glory of God, to reveal God's invisible qualities, to give man perspective and humility, to inspire human advancement, to prepare creation for the manifestation of the sons of God. So the universe is not random, it is purposeful. Every star you see is a message of God's greatness. Every discovery in space is a hidden treasure waiting to bless mankind. And every galaxy is a reminder. If God could design the cosmos with such precision, your life also has a purpose. In our next video, we'll look at the purpose of man, why you and I exist. Don't miss it.